欢迎跟我学中文。今天我们学习怎么说
Susan, I was just saying Paul wants us to go over on Friday. He needs us to go through Mary Alice's closet and help pack up her things. Susan, I was just saying Paul wants us to go over on Friday.
Susan, 我在说 Paul 想我们周五过去。Susan, 我在说 Paul 想我们周五过去。
He needs us to go through Mary Alice's closet.
他需要我们去翻看一下 Mary Alice 的柜子。他需要我们去翻看一下 Mary Alice 的柜子。
And help pack up her things.
帮着把他的东西收起来。帮着把他的东西收起来。我们先来学一下生词。Susan, 我在说 Paul 想我们周五过去。我在说We'll discuss this word in more details later. 说想我们周五过去他需要我们去翻看一下 Mary Alice 的柜子。他需要我们去翻看一下。We'll also talk about this word a bit more later. 去翻看一下 means to have a go at going through something. 的 Mary Alice 的柜子帮着把他的东西收起来。帮着We'll have a grammar episode on this word soon. You might want to check out episode 8 for a previous discussion. 把他的东西收起来。把 We'll come back to this word in just a moment. 他的东西收起来。So why do we need a 把 thingy here? In Chinese, when we say a certain something needs to be dealt with or handled with certain action, we usually move this certain something forward so it gets a prominent position and be heard first. And we put 把 to bring it up. Notice the hand radical of 把. This character is usually associated with hands or handling by a human or any force that has a mind of their own. You use this structure anytime you want to say a specific something or someone needs to be dealt with specific action, or when you want to say a certain something has been inflicted upon with some event. For example, these are the specific something that you want to tell people that something happened to them, and these are the events that happened. In Chinese, we will mention the specific something first, then we say what happened. You use 把 to bring forward the specific something. 在 a word that indicates something is in a current and continuous mode. This is the closest thing to the continuous tense in English. 我在说 I was saying. 他在睡觉 He's asleep. 我当时没在想 I wasn't thinking at the time. 你在干啥 What are you doing? 一下 is often added after an action word to mean that the action will happen just briefly or not taking too much time. You add this especially when you are asking people to do something for you and that you won't bother them for long. 去翻看一下 To go through something. 我想问一下 I'd like to ask. 你安排一下 You go and organize it. 借我用一下 Allow me to borrow it and use it. 请停一下 Please hold. When you're talking about putting a pause on something. 好，下一节我们学习怎么说
If Mary Alice was having problems, she should have come to us. She should have let us help her.
If you find this content useful, please like this video to support my channel. 多谢各位的陪伴，我们下次见。